Eya ogbona be aloyona be bobobo chimato enovi todo lava vao medo fia ina mi la fisi afie kemiele ne mi ekpobe
top radio va kore
egbieme ekika vide ha mi akwenam nene medo ta flat check yenya be mi le pepi ye yo meta pepi ale mikata elena mikata ta ele authentic mama have a voice vie mi kwenam nene Medota Flache. Bonsoir, bon arrivée tout le monde. Je m'appelle Mama Authentic. Oyombe Authentic Mama. Miawe Zova Dunenyo Borborbor Klenya de Joanna Oji. Live show for the Royal Casero Daji Le Accra Kokomlemle. And you transmitting live show Ash Villa Building Ame. Todo lava vao. Today is another Saturday, the 18th of January 2025. Hip, hip, hip. Jenny Kajagome, Azolia Kajagome, Obe click back, Lola Zolian Jing, Afika Klohayina, Afisila Yinana, Afima Klohayina, Beka Eve Eton, Eyakunye Agbemozozo, a Messi Kukutri, a Messi Jagbagbale Todoma, Eyena Vazu Jidula, Eyata. January Kajegome, and today is the 18th of January. January Penkeke we enyilia menyele egbeya efiape gomejejeya 2025. Novi eyata no ikinebe ya wole fiameko jegome kaba menye nenewa malea o ediko na do. Eyata minamnya cho enumake eye amesamefe radio no top radio 103.1 FM papa na odifia ya. Authentic Mama is clear and live all over across the world. Live the Authentic Mama fan page on Facebook. Authentic Mama fan page on Facebook. Very clear. Miele Top FM online on YouTube. Top FM online on YouTube. Miele clear la fuma. Miele Siana YouTube page in North America. Miele clear la fuma. Miele Siana Facebook page, Leclerc, le North America. Tamia no vi yo kata le America du come Canada, America. Bla me yo kata even me yo le Korea. Bla to kata le mian kosem miawezo. South Africa to ha the same thing. UK to mikata miawezo. Kuwait mikata miawezo som. Eyata ame yo kata eva modia. Just subscribe to our YouTube page, Top FM online. Subscribe nami. Follow me na pomyape video so kata program so kata le Top Radio ele nyape Top FM online on YouTube. Just go there, subscribe and like and follow us every time. Nyele live ha le Siana YouTube page. Go there, subscribe to Siana YouTube page also and follow our programs. Nyano vio la America nya viewa o TV station mal America call vegbe domdeji. Eyata subscribe to YouTube page. Siana YouTube page. Then I say more programs so Okonami Dunenyo Borborbor program ya memi da to Ghana to come here time memele nupo amiano viola America. They are listening to us live. Let me ankose ha. Yele TikTok Top Radio 103.1 FM. TikTok 103.1 FM le TikTok. Top Media, the Facebook page, me la fama. So all the social handles, so we are clear and live. Yeah, we so. Abaleke mi se hape gomejeja haya meko je gomenami yakobe haye ye onye yele feye ye meta mete mako haye ye ovenami azo. Eyata mikata mi yom ya nyo mi na wanye be dada quickly mi de chakla mi aviba do mogbo. I'm a radio na no Top Radio 103.1 FM. Men am yenye be amekpekpe tokia de han no mi ado me fien ya. Abaleke mi ato nya eye mi le mi ape social media handles so katambe Egba. On the show we have another guest. Last week there was a guest and this week there is a guest too. Next week there is going to be another guest. Next week I'm bringing a lawyer to the show once again. Eyatamiato mikatam yapetona no mia mebe this year o mela kodigbo na maudi jidudu ye valets jikwa enu ha na nye enu atro eyata Dunenyo Borborbor show ha etro le peyame de aleke gana le yunti nya ha mi le to trondo mana na nye be enye jijona mi be amekpekpe ile mia domefia ya akpedemia mi afonucho topic vv aden alonyati vv ade ekele Ghana to call me enya ya eku alokao ekanye ha eyata mede kuku yonovio na yonovia be ameseme petono no mia unti la be miele pepi me ye pepi ma mi ato mi po pepi me ko je gomenye de wa ejo bibinyao
radio ba kore
Ejobibio fire outbreak all over the country. Ejolebibbi, especially in various markets in Accra and even in Ghana, every part of Accra. Markets Olebibi, Kumasi, Elebibi, say all over. Ejolebibbi, Nukata Ejo. Lemiape market normally every year ku market adowa bigodo. Nuka nye kuhie, nuka la fuma ke jidudo kata omele susukoda fuma ameyo la asicha la fuma ha ome don doa no kaile jojobe ejobibia eleji yi every year and this year particular is getting out of hand already omewu pepi no hadoka kemi the number of fires outbreak alo fire outbreaks ole all the markets and other offices so that eya tagbea nyebe ao obe nene pono vipe gele bibia na kuchide togbo ela be menya time kawabado egbo eya tafie ya mia meyo kafra
dekpa top radio ba kore
mia meyo vevieto marketplaces yo ejomevado mia gbo hado alojo mebi mia to hado bakple mia afeyo leke mia no careful le mia pa fome afia no mia vio aleke wa no careful le aleke mia zana gas aleke mia zana electricity penuzio plugs pleton hebe ejoma vagede mia ha mia pe do pelo afomelo alo tepe yo medo hadewa eya tamekpe asi alo mekwasi mekpe mia to do metodika ekenye evana radio jipona no doses bi se na nko alegbegbe ke a egba maufa menveve a ekalemia dome eye anomia dome no menye physically ha anofo no oji no na mi eya nye Doctor Assistant Chief Fire Officer Afeto Prince Billy Anaglate ameyenye OT Fire Regional Commander to OT Region to elemia domefien ya le asham leka le kokumlemle le Top Radio Pavan Laji from OT Region to Top Radio kokumlemle Doctor Assistant Chief Fire Officer Prince Billy Anaglate amekenye OT Fire Regional Commander eya lemia domebe mia alankude nuka tutu ele hebe ejobibio fire outbreak all over the country, especially in marketplaces. So nuka egbole chocho the causes so prevention measures kawo miawo, and especially those who will be listening to us, especially in our homes. Be mia take precaution measures ahead of time. Be mia papo meha ejo mabano bibio aleke mienzana gas heko dananu aleke olebe mia trasila umbe ejo mana iko be gas explode amado kleton chomi kwa social media a lot of things. So today you are going to learn from the man, so keep your dial lock on Top Radio 103.1 from now to time Kenya of Oliver Nyaweso
top radio
Oyombe authentic mama Emefa wanaje gomecho gaton vase ganyi eyatamito minami ajomi le live authentic mama fan page on Facebook. Please go there, like and follow and share the links to your friends. Invite your friends to like authentic mama fan page. Also Top FM online on YouTube. Go there, subscribe to Top FM online, our YouTube page. Follow us and share the links to your friends and loved ones. Also live on Sienna YouTube page. Subscribe to Sienna YouTube page and Sienna Facebook page, all in North America. So stay tuned. Make after take our guests and radio. Ma titi kwa mi aje go me play. Authentic Mama, the 103.1. Authentic Mama, the 103.1.
Yes, I know. I am serving the Lord miracle. I know, yes, I know. Serving the Lord miracle. Yes, I know. Yes, I know. I am serving the Lord. I know. Yes, I know.
Authentic Mama, the Authentic Mama, the 103.1.
Emefa de mon papa Yahvé, qui m'apporte la ténèbre, qui m'a délivré de tout péché. Je chanterai de tout mon corps, Emefa de mon papa Yahvé, qui m'apporte la ténèbre, qui m'a délivré de tout péché. Oh, papa, infidèle, il ne m'abandonne jamais. Oh, je n'aime de rien, car Yahvé m'a livré, je suis dans la joie. Oh, immense, je suis dans l'émotion. Yahvé m'a livré, je suis dans la joie.
Authentic Mama, the one of Authentic Mama, the 103.1. Authentic Mama, the Authentic Mama, the 103.1 FM. The bobom la fils of your Kenyalede. Got 10 minutes blanc at ton 5:33 p.m. Ayi konami ye yalete debe mi akomya pe amekpepe agede to ame. Amerike mi afonupli egba abeleke menam yenya dongoa eyanye Doctor Assistant Chief Officer Prince Billy Anaglate Amerikenye OT Fire Regional Commander Elemia dome amenuve veto elemia dome fien ya be yakpedemia unti na information Ghana to call Kenya war and prevent fire outbreaks you all of our especially le afome oha asio metoyo mielese so causes and prevention of fire outbreaks in the country. Causes and prevention of fire outbreaks in the country. That will be the topic. In recent time, massive fire outbreak in Ghana to call Mekantamantu, particular example yawa Yekoleke devastated or no amobu no kata amofe shops or katan be open New York trana kata ebi eye onyenu blaninya lega popoya meke gadekeme le Ghana to koya me esongo fe ogbo resetting the country ogbeke ega trova enye no blaninya be amado at for nkeke de kako de be ofe tepe yo le no drala tepa kata shop kata pele New York le mekata being over 100 shops so being to le Kantamanto la fama amo pepe le kumasi so nyane kleto yo kata te makleto mi peleke jole bibi all over egba le be mi akpoda and maybe ni deundi ame yo le dowo alo le njola se me ha wo deundi enu yo le be wanya le pepi pe ye yo menemi le gegede Hamatan season anu eko le be mi anya imenya be fire service to men le chichina mi dongo ke amesem na no alert low alomia won to e mele susu kode no awu ale nkode mi adoku umbe nya no nya tasi agbayo pukudum efe o kata aloye kata yo ta igba George nam maglobe ewezo doc. Okay. George Namunto to be menye be you are far away from Accra ha near yowa me damegbele miawo eva be yava adenya de kavado me akome na me afia me nu to dola akpena wezo
yo mazore mi
like you oti reaching for a first
mazamon gbogbo na do beli mi afetolo da oti region ontonya we wiji yeye onye odo Tamia Bolbo Fiafi development Gagamre Duama.
okay
Ko enyete pe kenyete pe fafa.
okay
Tamia Bolbo Majijiwa Otiri ha anudo kishi.
okay ta for now gradually me jagome development je papa vide okay akpe winter enya mi habe no akracha kasemanya kodokumesebe eva odo ko yoti region ke megbelon we ejo de be ejagbagba va be ya konumenamic let's say aleke ejobibi penyo vale rampant like Accra Alogana in recent time January 18 ko ya nye kale pepiem no bebado I think be February March kake January 18 ko ya even before the 18th for 2 weeks ago or mebobo na mi afaya to eduji komiele eduji mi tofi nuka makweto asime nuka inana be every year Hamatan season lo pepi kwa ejobina le marketu nuka gbo chona
akpe lenya tefema ni be mi gbelebe markets aro ashima mi gbelko be ashi gudu ya de kemele Ghana shi o bado na ne ke tefe yi yo be ashima o me do o ma aton aro me de ma gbelko be me do me oteti ela be ne ku tefe yi ko mi dramele mi be nya shiwa your specification. If you have the fatherly, where your bashia, no madam will abono, I feel you be ashi. There cannot be fashiwa, a cobo, bohu, I'm the cover them does that the father, no viava pedem, kakano poa.
I'm over Hotepa.
Ko unyebashi, kado koba no structures to the unauthorized places.
Okay.
Le nini be mi bashia esa we be ezebe assemblies where the custodians of the markets hadu we pe bokbolote ashiole ta we tunashio yata ohibe esa be no uwatu ashima hadu marketer watere fire service to waku plan ya obe yotua akona fire service to no fire service to yevube review ni akpo planama akpo be nkawo lebo wo susube no tu ashiade amagbotope agbo matro mo ban we be no be atrocious everybody na kobe nane yevube alice omo ita ashikaku elifia nyabe utri ude makola ya kutere fire service nule tudu afima
makola ya kutere fire service wa iya properly structured market.
Exactly, it was properly designed and constructed to meet the market standard. Kaka umblanibe emoyo do to nina uyana be alisa do me ashimama de tepene.
Okay.
Ben susube evuata gereme adagba. Na emergency jole asiyama emergency vehicle so atagera asiyama elanye ambulance so elanye fire service so ogedeme nene make alice manye emono huwa it serves as a fire belt bele susube meju jole asiya pete prada asesen tofi ejumana trahu agede tepokboto ela be yu nyanyo mo onye kwa emu bibiare ke combustible material ke melete pomota ne jo bi hu ha na nyabadu emomaji ko ezeboto waka emoma o daddy alice that will also serve as a fire belter sibe ahemone ejobe maga atragede tepowa no garashi manofia amu utu pe structure su eko direct pata ale into hame megazezemu kafiabe neju jole ashafa fiareko structure moko darenuja it is going to serve as a bridge for the fire to travel swiftly and rapidly to other areas. Ta ne alame biabe nkena eju journal market agbante we the market they are not based on specification. The value we market where you don't need to be a trained electrician or a specialist. If you not get a marketer man, illegal electrical connections are all over. Nene market no gap. There are overage electrical wires that are even hanging. The insulation on the wirings have been peeled off, exposing the positive wires and the negative at the same time. But you should know you have positive wire, but negative wire kawunyoko ejogegere. Nene make amutu ashiako mopi. You otu mopi onudam letepema. Ovio letepema fefe blezo beleto. Nezama amukba tepema ke kwamo gako na drinking spot becho bice way. Marakamenya le uzana eju ko denu ofimao ihanana eju ezona. Negere nyape ashiuma. Ehia be yevude segregation. You know me, na those things that are highly flammable. The flammable substances or materials, highly flammable, but tomorrow, as the called the lowest flammable ones. But then you paint zero oko, what you tapon a paint zero home put up. Then you moyo avodram or home avodrape. Gake no gerashia ma mado paint blood tapitan blood, those are highly flammable substances. Gake uha kuna bogebe amade duzuru etiwe mazazram. Na uyine no mazohiare tu na boku. Niya tere paint ru ado tapitan muku ayilelepe. Afime gagere nyo ashie meha. Ekbogebe amade lo fufu blood de chireta. Edzolete uzozom ko zuhi uzuzom. Fi yimola amade kemenyo. No to me pass you gas cylinders only tatata moves as fridge or other electrical gadgets only use as you zamdi no pass ya medi woten ekbonabe you a switch of hadu which plug mo kata use as which you how you label what dolema gas cylinders you use as ukbonibe you the regulator jibo no zube yuzu o maga likire khoma ihananye ezuhagabio.
Okay.
Nana makene gere nyafe warehouse isadu la shioma. Enu yo khobu va dire silenaji.
Space the camera.
Awu eya otuale bebe eya to hamaganaram.
I see.
Alabe yevube spontaneous ignition.
Okay.
Shikade no pakano nema eyama gagere muku. The thing begin to generate heat within itself.
Okay.
That heat here not generating nema le homeko. Not the carbons. It burns like petrol.
Is that so?
Ta no zube yiro le home. Ye eyama gere home heat tom du to home. Ye heater nyadu yiro ignition temperature. Hado ambient temperature isikebe yiro nya zebibiko. Etutune anukboto le home. Kamu halemebe nyapo ashimepe juo ejona jigere. Negere ashiaruma nka amu washmenu upe ayoni wa uko nyojirume eju duna dana diafi ko ayona dana de ka kamu kata haleme uzube ashimepe jupe jojo nibe bijibe michimuko the custodians of the market that are the assemblies okbebe yubube ashia too and the specification and the standardization of markets bless usube ashi yokatale meshiko okbebe there is firefighting facilities or appliances la shiauma. There is early detection and warning system. She calls small detectors. But heat detectors to other one shama. And the availability of firefighting sources of water. She calls the fire hydrants. In other or no shiama. Nana maka beniachi a zone where the benabube amayu mudrala wala shiama. They avail themselves for fire safety training.
Okay.
She could be a fire to me now her.
Okay.
But not told me you attend a head survey. Benoma Gawo. Alabo Jugade, Chico Jonako. It get an Emma, but there is nothing like an accidental fire cause.
Okay.
Because a Juresha, the Zona, Amadepo commissions or emissions. Yenanabe a zona. That we kukube while our very bookie now organized training. I will could get a garum get a market abenia meow for manawa. And you say, and you will them then I see will be now her.
Laketa.
Both sube owanakube, we are interrupting in their sales.
Oh, how?
We are rather there to protect their investment too. Ta Ashimefe Jojo no zube mia ahemonu nekwa ebe mia bubosho mia tu ebe mia bubebe to fire post firemen no FEMA 24/7 to be monitoring the activities of the people in the market. Benezado ukbanshia ha amadako magatawe gedeme ayi cigarette mugaru egbemugaru ahe ezo ayi the defe ashimamu
ametema bia ben do medrebe amowa senya me atakomela interruption wona automatic kake nchone miekpo bene market abe mokola like this so nya bileko kase na bia nya simultaneously kwa kumasi market gaha abi kase na bia nya ko be esonyani kase na bia what cause no kaina be simultaneously ako na fire nya allo asiga de kanya bikwa then the other one quickly go mad to come yes be jodo me see I don't know intentionally I don't know.
Yeah, exactly so. We have a perennial, market fires.
Okay.
But every year, zona.
Okay.
If you look at the trend, you know, 10 years zona because you get a Hamatan season zona.
Yes.
The Hamatan season, you are never called le every combustible material.
Okay.
Ta niye ezoyiku ana material nalea ifia efense bojo ta suede kunya terem ko zebo yilelepe already even mabobe nyafa shiuma they are not standardized. Yes. That they are not meeting the specification, so all the markets in the first place they are sitting on a time bomb. Bless susube na pepi me vako abala ikukube amade fotobu na kukugene toshi yo nyaza yiku kobe ta assuremento already they are volatile. You know, any slightest thing it is just going to assess the any ignition.
Yeah, we are sitting on time bomb.
Exactly.
All markets so specifically where as a normal structure and market standard
at all.
That ne yet and your paper be name mokolanya binoko. Yes, a bear kumasi kejete ha, near bear ba fi ha. If you made a mass segomebe, what causes that? Like simultaneously,
there are 5 causes of fires.
Okay.
That allow zona simultaneously and rapidly that they follow each other. Another amagere conclude number it is an arson.
Yes.
But then we can't rule out arson in all this.
Okay.
Let me fire investigation. Every fire is an incident, or every incidency is taken to be an arson state of emergency until proven otherwise.
Okay.
Until investigation goes into it, it could be taken to be an arson. There are 5 causes of fires that are all possible causes of that fire.
Let's have them.
It could either be carelessness.
Okay, carelessness. Okay.
Yeah, ignorance.
Okay.
Yeah, it could be accidental.
Okay.
It could be natural.
Okay.
And it could also be deliberate, which is arson.
Okay.
Yes. So all these 5 causes of fires.
Okay.
They are possible causes of fires into any other cause of fire.
Okay.
Ta na ozube ezonya zo. Amashiamas, depending on where the person is standing, could just say, probably it is either arson or it is anything. And many times it is asking that people talk of. And because of the way the fires follow each other, that in a pattern, bobe market are the bibilegi, kasha market are the bilokumasi, ega biletepebu buaraha. Etanya maglobe, nyonto nyamnyafe market tokro alaku ukata. They are following the same pattern. Like we do not have any fire protective measures in the market. It could be natural, but I'm not ruling out any arson. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, Vito Dolao, 5:52 p.m. Gaton minute blanc. atonvo eve tututu ele Dunenyo Borborbor plenya jojo na pe nkosem live le transmitting live to kokomlemle 40B Royal Castle Road aji le Arch Villa Bidiame ele Dr. Assistant Chief Fire Officer Prince Billy Anaglate amekenye OT Regional Fire Commander eya pe nkosem le no pocho causes and preventive measures of fire outbreaks yo levava legana in recent time na jona every hamatan komisana fire outbreak so market women no alo market ameyo no na sinoko obuna open valuable so klepe gaga o kleto enye no bla nunya and so egba me be mi akobe no ka konwe no he eno ma o heva no ka mi atan wo abedumevio pla meyo nye asechala no na sima ome I prevent those sort of things be makajo no ka lebe mi ha mi asro ne nekpo of you pe gele bibia kuchire togbo be opa feme ela be journal la feme ha journal la fisi afeme market ko ya tani mi le market togbla me kasusu be you are out of it all because you are not a market woman or market man ta melemo eleme atanjo la feme kleto we are now coming to that aspect ya tamia weleji mi le transmitting live to mana na nyebe mi le live le authentic mama fan page Authentic Mama fan page. I may you katale mi akpoma. Thank you so much for your time. Share the links to your friends. Invite your friends. That is all. You can also contribute towards the progress of this program. Yeah, tanemi le pomia alomi le mi akpoa. Mi share video or na misia na why viral. Then ma ke le live le Top FM online. Top FM online on YouTube is also clear and we are there. So go to Top FM online on YouTube. Subscribe to Top FM online, our YouTube page, and follow us also. Let's transmitting live Sienna YouTube page. Sienna YouTube page. Go there also. Subscribe to Sienna YouTube page. For my no video Hail America to come yo help this channel ma okolemia degbe o program so wale America eyewo odona evegbe. Kofi na nu yo leji le kike me pa pasi akpa yo ha o le Ghana to come ha eyata mi yi na mi no follow la fuma Mimi da sia mimi da o kona nyefe program ya live in Sienna YouTube page and Sienna Facebook page all la America eyata me da pe na Sienna to ya we le toji ya we le nukpo afisi afi ke mi le mi akpom tue la UK la Germany la Nigeria Togo Ghana afisi afi. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is Dunenyo Borborbor show with authentic mama Emefa 5:55 p.m. Nyawezo nanye fifia fineva mia kayiji mia pe fire officer lo commander le mia do me kwa mia kayiji kefi filaya enami courses ado yo wona be leke ejo binale market o ele no be carelessness. Sometimes a carelessness don't have wona be ejo mapuko bina ebe ignorant manya me do nya ofia no ho wa na wa fia no ho asanya like oh pepi le dodo alo pepi me le dodo so this and this and this we need to do or we cannot do in the market anka enu yo ma vow ebe accidentally it's also happened atonjo mistakenly ko amede wonade eto jonade kasa obi anya ko ezujo ganko eglena nu ebe atonye natural magoma na badem na mivie play deliberate ado hana tanya deliberate attempt there are possible causes ado it can be deliberate amede ado place so mo de ko be ya ba wono ma ko wa bagle no na mo kata so the 5 causes of fire eyama oyonami ye oglonami ye metiben what the natural natural ebe ejoanto na tan vale do kwesia
natural causes of fire say nyebe am beto pensare que mata khemona zuma pe babao
okay
ita no nyebe there is a thunder strike thunder strike on the tree and the tree is burning. There is a natural cause. When there is a volcanic eruption and the lava with hot ashes has coming out to cause fire on those one is a natural cause. The same thunder striking on a building, if the building is burning, is carelessness. I hope you understand.
Yes.
The same thunder striking on a tree burning is natural cause. But if the same thunder strike a building, is carelessness.
It
is carelessness on the building aspect because we can factor in to prevent the thunder striking and causing fire in the home. That is, if your earthing system is good, the thunder can strike your building, but it will not cause fire. There is something we call lightning arrestor that is put at the top of the building, so that even if you strike it, then it will pick up the static electricity that breaks down onto the building. So it goes underneath, so it will not cause it. So if you fail to have good earthing system, if you fail to ensure that you have a lightning arrestor on your building, if it strikes, you can't say that was because it's a lightning, it is a natural cause. It's carelessness.
It's carelessness.
Yes. So
I see. Wow, no vinya salaw mi lesan. Eya ta obe afeme mi afafe yo mi etuna mi okona na de ko dina wo ye be F ma eya e won ebe na ye be standard striker na F ale gooda a prevent be ejoma vow kakeno never ko fake F allo because of gapenya na ba play fake one adekle to kwa ko ba adafema na ejo allo tender he striker eyo fuko le gbogbo be natural one then a natural fire mafuko eva na ewope carelessness or numa ewebe ejo vow papa ewewe eya gbolomo le na mi okay mi ayiji kefi feel then market so far me say gbogbo be market this market there is fire outbreak in this market in Kumasi, in Accra, in Soyan, in this vote whatever. Me fire service today me say investigation will be conducted or you are doing say investigation adeke complete adeke po day after fire outbreak in some marketer. Fire service was able to come out with the evidence on
the causes
of the fire.
Well, not rules or regulations, man. Not do it is the owner of that property that needs to write to our chief officer requesting for the
investigation and causes.
Exactly. Meow as firefighters, so what we do, but when we do the investigation and we know the cause of that fire, me zani to form part of our educational programs that we do. That all those causes that I have lined up. That maybe the market and then we investigate, we realize this is the cause of it and all that. We use it for the education, and you know, like I said earlier on, the assemblies are the custodians of the market.
Okay.
It but when we know those things, we try to submit those reports to the assembly.
To the assembly instead of the public.
The public, and do you know why? No, it's the market. You need investigation. And then we come out publicly to say that this is the cause of this. Maybe probably it is the carelessness of somebody who has left a gas cylinder in the room.
Yes.
Or it is the carelessness of somebody who maybe probably might have done illegal connection at his shop or something that has caused it. Just imagine if we are not careful, there could be a mob action of people that has lost their ways. And are we helping people, or that will lead to death? That will lead to a whole lot of distraction. So we are careful as to
how to come out with the reports,
exactly,
to the public.
We only add it to our education to tell people that ABCD could call fire in here. So don't do this, don't do that.
I see.
So that is why it is wrong anywhere in the world. You have to come out to say,
though this is the cause of this fire in maybe this market.
Unless the case, somebody suspects it and the case goes to court. Then we can tender it to the courts
as evidence.
As evidence.
Oh,
yes.
Okay. Amedo okay. After my bava mi first service, but challenges ka fire service told me le facing. Ela be accusation get the me umbe no yomia ne edka fra jojo le if you know yomia it takes you a whole lot of hours before me abadoka se me adroa obedwa ebinu vota. A lot of Ghanaians or citizens are okpona jiku odona jiku the fire service on kakomenya the consequences alone yo me tona hafi bado now. So we'll be talking about that. Before we come to that topic, afo me ha fifi la ya market wele bibi office kleto ado church kleto afe me ha de nuka o lebe mi anya ase afe ameyo la feme be we can do this and this and this to prevent fire, or our actions this and this and this can bring fire.
Yeah, not be affirm or places of residence or public places and all that. Is the same in the sense that there are three things hena zomavi and woman tonku hena zomavi.
Okay.
Banto electrical wiring systems, yes, and installation of electrical gadgets in the room. But then that is why if you are corona to Majiju Gaka Obina.
Yeah.
The usage of electrical gadgets and appliances in our homes and offices.
Okay. They use
yes.
Okay.
And the maintenance of those electrical appliances or installations. Mantra the wiring system you are
actually Benova installation no Benova installation the core burner electrician by installation.
Yeah, electrician, electrical installation or wiring layer for premises. My brother, corner, maybe heater dagger. I feel maybe any other heavy or air conditioned dagger. What could have installation? Meanwhile, a carryoto on an installation, so they differ from one to the other depending on the type of electrical higher consuming current gadget that you'll be using.
Okay.
Na electrician aba do the kuba on a wiring, even yabu na oko. Where we know na carrozana nyebe haika atakari current chike ana light naba.
Okay.
Hayaka atana fan now do.
Fridge naba.
Fridge kwa electrical consumption is high. Ta no one uva ukhama afi eto. Nova air conditions, which is the highest or higher consuming gadget than bulbs. You are subjecting the whole premises, all overloading.
Okay.
Because how do you call air condition will be pulling more current than the wires that have been used to contain.
Okay.
Current passing through a resistor will produce heat.
Yes.
The higher the resistor, meaning that the volume of current that is passing through that wire will ensure that the heat can even cause the wires to start burning. Because not the electrical wires will talk about open insulation, so they are combustible.
Okay.
That no Zuba current are pulling. The heat generation is higher than you reach the ignition temperature or the ambient temperature of the insulation. Okay. Taya ita here, but no be electrical another electrician about wiring na ko. You should look for a qualified electrician.
Qualified electrician.
The Energy Commission is satisfying those qualified electricians. So it is said that you request for the certification of that person before he comes to work for you.
Okay.
Secondly, the wiring system, I'm still on that. Okay. That is the first point that I made. Electrical wires fitting so drama. They are so sincere these days, they can tell you that this is the original one.
Yes.
This is the substandard one. Gake because of cost.
Yes.
The substandard one my problem a kuya fleko inara pono. Ele mahabe amaru kona gabenu ple the very original one ogake I'm calling matumatuta electrician ahoga pepe arepele substandard one khamuha enana behena ezu konaba pemi evevelia magagbele nyebe de alamizana miape electrical gadgets le apeme na gare miape fawuma garuma ekpogebe amount over already overload over circuit point we plug nu get the circuit point oji ta enabe dukolabe diviso ekogba ina gbugbo agbaye ke mata ko yekodu tane de via ekoge pepe ga kana zona ina moya atana de vimana na zani pere agbaye ko nene makana overload no plug. So many things at the same time on one circuit point, you are forcing it to pull out more electrical current that it is designed to take.
Okay.
Tahemaha enanabe ezoten edzona. Nenamake amadu no open electrical gadgets zama they overuse it.
Okay.
Amazon fan overnight. Amoloni nanwoke ududuga fema aidoma umechina fana.
Okay.
Yakere fana nya rotate mko. It is a metal moving on metal. Friction is generated. Within out of that friction, heat is produced.
Okay.
There are other combustible components, rubbers and other things
Authentic
are there.
mama, the 103.1
will go for so many years overnight and continue to work. The heat that it is producing, when you reach the ignition temperature of those components within the fan, can also cause fire.
I see.
Garumaha Mobile, they want to extend electricity from one point to the other.
Okay.
Ta over planner flexible extension cables. No flexible extension cables. Mawa. No plug here. What do you want to know? Oh, honey. Amado so need then a capacitor from one point to where they want it.
Okay.
I cannot to flexible electrical wires match the capacitor. You are working on it.
Okay.
You are pushing and breaking the insulation on it till the positive wires have access to the negative.
Okay.
It can also cause fire.
Amado,
the same flexible electrical wires, so but while extending from one place to the other, we coil on nails on the wall.
Okay.
Now coil, why are they nail means they may begin to rust into it. That is what we call slow combustion. Nela ano insulation na do gradually never carry wires a bridge wire, and that can also cause fire.
So it's a danger being in the house, like electrically. Play a little loose qua.
Exactly. Then the fires could come.
I see.
No, miape switches and sockets. Amado office they are broken switches and hanging, wires and those things there. Some are like that. No, where plug a duama, plug no. A duama, a below piece of
they are still plucking.
They are still plucking because it's working. Amado plucking, it could be iron, it could be fridge.
Okay.
Nobody because it has melted and held onto the plucker. So because it is working, it is still there.
I see.
Offices and Nana makana po amado untope freezer ututu freezer hu over tere glue ever freezer emegboa eyana no dudum so tefema ta emukata ehena ezuvi.
Okay.
Etolia Hayobemela is only for electrical courses. Then we can move. Then I do Etolia, Temelia, we move on to the gas.
Yes.
So Etolia, the maintenance.
Okay.
The maintenance culture is very poor in our homes and offices.
Okay.
Alabe nekbo switches, sockets, and lamp holders. They are all in the whitish color.
Okay.
They are not in the whitish color for nothing. The white, very good. do the new yima bless when there is overheating
Okay.
within it efe new year etotrogazu brown
Okay.
ta na po switch or socket or lamp holder efe color nya changing from white to the brown is going to overheating is going through.
Oh, that is one no ya lebemi anya.
As a na change.
Okay.
Number 10 change it becomes hard and brittle.
Okay.
Ta another ignition temperature or the ambient temperature ikebe na jokokoma na obia edidi ta epense bojo ta ne heat accessare abalako ochikadi na kadi aga ogashia the voltage goes higher.
Okay.
Ebogebe shina higher afie didi normalize na ta already a week ta na high voltage manya vako it can start burning.
Wow.
Neotomia for wiring system. Maybe the conduit wiring na inya ekaya eto gele aume.
Okay.
Conduit wiring na wiring for 35 years ezebe na change. Nanya surface wiring khayo le gele anko na kpo. And for 25 years ezebe na roli wakata.
I see.
Na my roli wa open insulation so they become hard and brittle that they fall off exposing the positive wire to the negative wire. Tami blona number garuma ha na zin for 10-15 years na get the energy commission to certified electrician to mu they have a gadget over testing bobedi.
Okay.
It's system itami blona surface electrical wires are not to be painted na home paint ma wires you electrical wires you ko to glianu maga paint be susube na chichim ye cracks enuva ma akpo ko ne na doli.
Wow.
Yeah.
Novito dolao, we have a long way to go.
Ta ne emoli ami agere mi afozu do fiu.
Got the minute we in 6:14 p.m. to dolao. Akpebe mi le twaji le Dunenyo Borborbor show. Lo Dunenyo Borborbor plenya jojiro na pa nkosem authentic mama pa nkosem nele. Niele no ple Doctor Assistant Chief Officer Prince Billy Anaglate Oti Fire Regional Commander eyele tidbits adonami ele no fiami aleke mi anno dedie la feme ebe ejobibinya yo nu akade potoa ple assume ple office so ple tepewa is giving us education and preventive measures yo kemi atanwa wo eya ontimi le no potre nya iji gas pa akpaji aleke mi azan gas la feme ple tepetepo alo chobe so ha
gas zaza enye ike jigara zona kpere eku manyetang be susuba anebe aze gas ko ezebe na nunjo elabe ne gas to ya dole cylinder no ye unya dole cylinder mako epe expansion rate adu epe kekeme is 250 tafia be ne atukpa de ka gas atukpa de ka dole cylinder mako na kekege 250 bottles or liters. That is it. That is the expansion rate. Any volume or amount of gas that leaks out of the cylinder will expand to 250 times. And the gas is 1.5 times heavier than air. Tayo nyanya ekbewu eyata na udole cylinder makwa ekbogebe eyatutuge ajue kaya avu ahu tepa ita the gas leakage with fire or without fire is death. Bele susube na do gas adu do adu leak re for home. Na you to get to jodopia kaka abagede open bedroom. Maybe we are ta nanya gere bedroom akwa. Eya tutuge adole home ya itona home. We are mlonya domta maganye oxygen hado eya mito boganala. Gas boganala. Na gas ko you suffer from asphyxiation, which is lack of oxygenated blood to the brain. Tanenya benenema uzube gas in bo ku eya magagere mu na dobowe lenchioko ke ezunu kuku. Gake gasa nema ke na leak de upo judopi. Ye mi to be na do apem examen.
Yeah.
Ye na get apem examen. Ye na bobe gas leak re pokoma. Do he akadi.
Yeah.
Akadi man the little hissing noise in the switch is enough to blow the whole room ablaze.
Hey.
Ela be gasa ne shikadi ako nose via the segere a switch ama. If you have it is a spark in it. Ta leakage ya nyagere dudu pia ni nyashikari mako. It can kickstart the fire. Hado na uzudu pia safi ya lengwa yenye safi moku. Ni dena home atri. Ta na nyebe ugere dudu pia ye respond to yene tu safi ya de dominatrum ko metal to metal will generate
fire
heat. So you can blow the room off.
Yeah, Teresa.
Yeah, feel the gas is leaking in your room. The scent is there. Magachikario. Jagba na inabe hu uvokbele wu first round bele eyana gede home. Yeah, to dissipate the concentration of the gas to the lowest ignition temperature. Bele susubene ya gede meko neutralize it, dilute it. There is any source of heat anywhere, there wouldn't be fire in it. Itami bonabe enyemui ke wonblani gara maru pezu koma ekpegaro ko dade tajine regulator. Elabe ufube leakage.
It's leaking.
Abo na kukbema dade jarohi the hissing noise ya semnela iko totoge.
Okay.
Like leakage ya egababage.
Okay.
Ta emamofia be hegemoniu ezu ata hezuve ewo papemi.
Okay.
Gas cylinders wa menyemuike ulebe na nekpo efe rusting kuna ko yibe no paint na yolo haro no spray. Now gas cylinders are not supposed to be painted or sprayed.
Okay.
The volume of the rust on the gas cylinder is about 3 times within. Tayo nya rust cylinder puko inside the affecting the inside will be peeling off into it. So it is reducing the intensity of the cylinder to withstand the pressure for which it is made for.
I see.
No nya the rust in enema yene nya kuyi over spray enema ko khaya epenchia beautiful gake isema galondu or withstand pressure amount. Ita mi bona ba gas cylinder so ewon na ready expiring date.
Nyentokra menya uncho afi menya.
Expiring data, it is embossed on it.
Okay.
Me kwenyem so senyebe garuma na shopper and then the expiring date catches with it. Gake khama hami bwana benezi for 5 years today. Koye fia na plena gas la.
Okay.
Over any pressure test. Okpebe nse galeshine na maha.
Okay.
Gake na fike wo na elemeten gake menya zira fa de share wo weten wona anuma.
Okay.
Na fi na elemeten po opportunity ekoyi for pressure test wa. Then when you use the gas for 10 years, it is enough for you to do away with it and then get another one. The gas cylinders are not supposed to be sprayed. The gas cylinder, man. Every cylinder that is filled with a gas should be standing upright. Ta never the gas in the filling station. But the bana kwemre the boot mo.
Okay.
Na kwemre the bootama na was ozomo shaking ku. There is expansion going in. Ta the valve at the top of it. It is only being held in position with a rubber seal.
Yeah.
Ta no pressure assessing it can blow it off. Tana uzube for butma gasa neji meta chitre chigwa atako dare homefa ale keku wacha chitre bosu sube mata edzuvio na ku gasa to yido papa me cylinder mezebo no cement nyibaji o ezebe na ji board akọ dare yi na dire cement number it reacts to the metal gas cylinder nalia edzena fifia. Okay. Base fifia then it is reacting to the cement. It is weakening the base of it.
Okay.
It can explode on itself. Minamaka amadoha no o gasa zam to the stena obo na be yo bobe gasa vovomulo me vovomu ave shaky na shaky ko expansion is taking place kama it can cause explosion or anything to.
I see that like me on me be me pobele vovo
na be akpebele vovoma echi ko lebe na ko wude katanchi echi into awude cylinder katanchi ko they wait for some few minutes fear echi gasa melwa afufuge like fear gasa leko it will still be wet.
I see.
Then anyabe fear gasa eduna.
I see. Nyemenya ya krapo nyime. So if you be me le mistake son wala peme. Dan ya be me fire service to wa o ma bobro anyiko. Excuse me. O man office ko. Wo me asebe ejo bibi de gbo afide. Hafi me apudu ayo me apudu vow. If you need to be going all over to be educating us on the fire preventive measures or causes of fire and things like this. Elabe amegedo menyao eyo na glofifia gas le miapete signal exam na miebe mi kpobe voa we just shake it nya me wona makpobe fika odo ha because of ignorance yakake because of ignorance na kase na nya kwa it cause fire ta efiebe lebe mya no dodom o meka no office ko no mya no dodom de radio ji de asiome church so tapete office so na mya ba no fia mo be wa nyaleke wa keep open environment safe from fire outbreak.
Exactly so.
Wow. We have a lot to learn. Mia tomi le nya said enu gede a enye ha menya mia ha menya ya ko semiele enu yi o mi wona la fe me o menya be enu ma o akojo bibi cover wa adewe ya obe ne ba je gas ya meka ko gas cylinder ko mlo bo amo elebe ni jo na ko etuan ne na cover afeme ne ko eve ha no level vo obe meka ba ko fe gas be akpo be gas level vo na shake you na no ebubu po kebon obe na kuchi ko fede unti ne ko chi fede gas unkata afi gas hela efima ano wet is that also
exactly so.
Efi keke mele wet wa he ofu kwa efi be gas efima ovodo ba sema enu ya pete nyin tokra imenya ni menya so it's good be egba miele nu yosro alekemia awo electrical wiring le mia fafo me office so ple any place kemia ko light so dada it's very critical ya glole ehia pa elegboglo be fake amado eganyata minya be this is not quality wire or plug so kakea because of egata mi anbo mi kona mi sigbe
top radio back
mi apply fake one sigba ko ba wiring la family office le church le to wa be you are causing your own death mi to ele mi agbe ko le chacha eyata ne be awo electrical aviator ameyo lo papa to normally I take notice of that but ameyo la fe to na nyi to papa all very particular about wiring of the house ta yon to ple na oyi na ba ple quality things o kake ameyo to nebe you are higher obu na be o menye yo gbo no gbo and me manage ya no kleto advice kanana landlord so allow me you to na homa he to be because be menye you element no but that they can use any other maybe low cost wiring the plugs adoko so that they can secure people menye be gatiti vivo na ekunava madegbo allo amedena kutomo what advice do you have for those people ba
yeah nyatepema na bo nyape ela 1724 fire precaution premises regulation 2003 ado nyape ela 2249 agbere kakadeji be ne ebe ya tuape wontela monogo it is for the public use ezebe naku for building plan and fire service ezebe to fire service to bo mia I review plan no bless sube nanele mi be structure integrity a whole person it depend on the material used and all that I look at fire service for the now when we review your plan me on a hand by reviewing your plan the plan the minya review will be able to determine the occupancy load of the place
Okay.
Yenye amount the total number of people that is supposed to be in the house. Neko plan anamiku. Based on that, we will be able to know the number of exits. Exit omeneni haru monu omeneni wono tefakawe welebe monu onano.
Oh, okay.
There is something we call the egress travel of the doors. Potruade do vunere emelo ado do vunere outside. Ihanu onye technically for the protection of lives.
I see.
Authentic Mama, the 103.1 FM.
Now the plan ava yemi now all me mukata a sabe mid fire dollar ha na exete patutua azabe mianu tepa frequenting
Anovava
ano yim
ano check you
bobe
mileno awode do
recommendations so mi wori
okay
na ko do me ha
okay
ne ozube nyape esaudu do ye ozube amashiame to woma makari be na mi yi ma manolo afia be mi ha mi agara ma oji dake ame agara khotu mele nyanyi menami ita ozube na gere khodo apado ma bobe the people have barricaded the place with steel bug approved. They have fortified security to the detriment of safety.
And because of
armed robbers.
So.
Yeah, that came in my brain and your brain. Now have 2 armed robbers. You Zube the car, never you can negotiate with him.
Okay.
He takes something and go. If the other armed robber comes, you can't negotiate. He can take everything, including your life.
That is fire.
That is fire. So which one you should be more conscious of?
Okay.
Tami Bonabe, we are not saying that you shouldn't use bugger proof. There are collapsible bugger proofs that you can use, but not to draw. You'll be able to open it and then use it. To the same, but not draw you use the window as alternative
to
exit. You have to be able to go. Most of them, almost all of them, they woke up to saw that there was fire in, but for the lack of access in about
Authentic Mama, the 103.1 FM.
Novinya salami koke miele hamatan metane miele egbiese koke mi wedama le bobobo hamatan avale se servie kwa ele mikatanlem 6:29 p.m. Novi to the Lao miele no pocho fire outbreak in Ghana and how to prevent it, especially in our homes, markets and other places. So Mielen Fokle, Doctor, Assistant Chief Officer, Fire Officer, Prince Billy, and Naglate, Amekenye Oti, Fire Regional Commander. Eya Bemil Lassi, Miato Miakbebe, Enugedo le Bemi Asron Cho e Jonyaya, O Matan Kok Bekatan Asron Yawo, Eyata, Fobilia, Nema Paman River Kwamika, well, Kwano Vavadeka Deka, Egbeke Matan Vaha, Mia Yole Phone G. Mia wo interview le phone G ple wanami amebubu yo le gento ame aka fire service toyo osebegbe one of avaba no fiami be o makanai ignorantly kwa akuto ejobibi yo kukumo enugede ehia kakea because of time ta megbomo bugbe amado manya be wati be wabia babia recover do ne na te ado no hafi nyakọ na se Mass question you told me what dranya esugbo. Like I couldn't even ask 4 or 5 years so because enya osugbo. Eyata mano kon VVV nenya have a little time kwa mia yo ne metamva wa mia wele phone G anono fia mia to so that kudo puku a mia ta chiono abejo peku yo puku a mia tension because ma pobenu gede nyento ha menya ye yo amengede ha obenya be the concerning a jope BP la femme churches. So I can make a message down to USA. Yan of you like USA, ole mi akba. Odo babiada, ole babiaben. Ask about Mark Lede of Obama, so you know. About ask him whenever they attempt fire service me or me, they attempt to quench fire. There is always water shortage on their part, of which most of us is we are not happy about. It's not their fault. Either it's your fault or not your fault. We don't know. So you need to explain. My question is, do they budget for fire hydrants to be a service or replacement? Eyacho Apeto Kwame Orison Bocho USA.
Okay. Yeah, Nyatepe, that is a very good question. Bless you, Sube. Me fire service tower. We are not responsible for the installation and maintenance of fire hydrants. Nakpo water bill here. 1%, you are paying 1% to water company for firefighting.
Yes.
Those money are supposed to be used to install and maintain fire hydrants. At the specification is 100 meters interval along the road and in the community. The first thing we do, we couple our hose to the hydrant and into our tender. Ta le tender mafimi koveya. It is replenishing itself from the hydrant. So we have uninterrupted firefighting.
Okay.
You understand me? Shikabe echiama for Bogahan. Then we continue.
Okay.
The hydrants are not readily available. Water company is taking the money from you and I. Yes, they are supposed to do it.
I see.
That if you look at the statistics of hydrants in Ghana, you will know that we are still sitting on a timing bomb. Yeah, probably market fire man Katamantua. Will you be surprised when Garuma has a fire engine and not travel all the way to Adenta before they are able to get water to come back?
How?
Will the fire be waiting for them? The fire will not be waiting for them. Every market, like I stated earlier in my submission, they are supposed to have readily accessible hydrant, working hydrant in the market. Hydrants, they are not meeting the specification. The little one that we have, Garuma, you never wear instead of water, so it is not the fault of fire service. We have always been fighting the water company to ensure that
hydrants
are readily available. Yes. So what hydrants are readily available? This sort of we going there in an empty tender, which has never happened before, that we have gone to any fire ground without water in the tender.
I'm a dog Medina, something about fire dead Jolafide, baby bar.
The biggest water capacity tender. Nyafe dochi wo gantoa. Efe echia okona. It is 3,000 gallons of water.
Okay.
That 3,000 gallons of water, it can be depleted. I do atavo in less than 5 minutes.
Okay.
Tana marokpo mimi gara fima zezo chichi within 5-10 minutes. They came with empty carbon. That is not it.
Okay.
Hydrant, I believe you and I, everybody should be able to ensure and then to put pressure on the water company to be a guy 1%
every time.
You want to see what is doing. They need to install the hydrants
all over the place.
All over. Firefighting hose to the hydrant and to the tender. Then we can have uninterrupted water supply for firefighting.
Tafia be at the one nele populo be menya nukwada onye be nenye yi ejochifa etimeno na mia.
Mojo boy. Look, you are working one day. I wish just unannounced. Go to any number of fire stations that you get in there, and they will give you the opportunity. If you introduce yourself that you want, they share them. It is,
emergency.
A law, fireman, me domino gedi, to cap the akuchi to
fire
huamo.
Okay.
Ta nanyanya duty. Ye mevak pakpape, I have to hand over to the next incoming watcher. They do inspection of all those things, including the level of the wire. Oh, but my bonus you get a fire told the women Yamukumiano, but a Zunazofia. It has never since I joined the fire service, and I've been monitoring all this, it has never happened before that we went there without water in the tunnel.
Okay. Amodo how no accuse me be no me blame be. No yomia umevaka ba no kagbo chona.
Yes. Yeah, LMB Fifi life here ne a sample some number of people but know you the fire service numbers were it will be difficult for them to even be and then those time Merashi and they said we were calling fire service, they were not coming, we were calling fire service, they were not coming now. Okay, so let me see the number you call. This person says this person at the end of it, it's still
a wrong number.
Hey, Amado Gabro, they were calling 999. 999 season to be fire service emergency.
So
192 is the universal one. 192 is the universal one.
Okay.
And we have it is proper for you within your community. You go to the fire station there in your community and take their local number in addition to the 192 or 112, which is the universal one.
Okay.
Yes, with the 112, we will be is it fire, ambulance, or police?
Okay.
It is also good with the community na have local number. It is faster in getting to them than calling the major one. Now you 192, you have do the Miapa headquarters. If you want it is time buying. You know, the earlier we get to the scene is better for the protection and preservation of property.
Now Vito Dolao, Morinto Essenya, got the minute Blaton Voni, 6:38 p.m. Dunenyo Borborbor show with authentic Mama Emefa. Egbe Saturday, 18th of January 2025. The recent fire outbreaks in Ghana, especially in the marketplaces, so prevention and prevention measures they can take as individuals to prevent the fire outbreaks. Because so far, market so the pedal warehouses so ledodo kakea. Miel education ya wo alone for fear ya wo be mia me yo apel me wo tepetepe so lokleto wa mia no very cautious and alert be ejuma makavado mia bola be doma hinado mele wo nwe la fama wo na be jo le baba afeme ha miele ejo atam adbila afeme leke mia no careful be ejuma bile mia papa mo pele aleke mia za gas le ye yo puko me pepi ye yo me be videko ejuma abinua eya untimi le no potwe egba eno subo mi ato mi po be here a whole day a topic time to finish enu ya unka ke ayita enu bubo le mi awon ele manam nyanya newspaper headline segment also becoming your way enu you will jojole Ghana ale makata nami eye health tidbit segment ahanle health segment ahanle miele pepi me nuka o le be mi awo anu de die le la mesenya o me ele be mana mi tidbit ado ha so mi akọ eya do afina ma avumo ahokos viade na apeton bili anaglate be wa do ba biade kan vado miele ditibe mi abia o alo mi abia ma vumo na mi pede mi ayom le 0303 944 864 alo ayom ha le nye topen no by a hanji 020 376 9562 atanwa yole no by a hanji so ne babia de la siwa etibe ya bia ya seme pede ko abia pede ko nenya ayiwo na jina me
authentic mama the 103.1 FM.
Okay. Madaku magbonama ho mi apeko so je baba 020 376 9562 020 376 9562 Madakuku akpe hello hold on okay ayom le 030 0303 944 864 atawayom la fama ha 0303 944 864 ayom la fama ha ma hwe now nene ma ke 020 376 9562 ne babia de kavadelia quickly kumia abia eye ma hwe ena apeto Billy na wadon na mi kabakwa na ni ajo. Hello, apemeto. Good evening. Where's apemeto? Nko kwa fine yo tue. Agbeza me de ko yiji ba bia kala si o.
Program mauna irami.
Okay.
Mauna irami pa. Fire service man haja bapa.
Akpe.
Mauna irami gogo.
Eyata no yo gbla mi alem kudon awo jibe ejoma no bibile mi apapa mo house ya.
Malakuyo.
Akpe emegbe pe mi abia hata. Madekuku. Hello for Francis Dunenyo Wezo.
Yo, mama, mi awu
Madekuyo, ele no pocho.
ele nu focho Madina my hot.
E hot Medina mi le toji.
Aha, medibe madia mi afofo nu fiala le pe. Ne mi ame yo dananu choba o, mi na pese ni nda no na sise de enyo.
Choba dala ofe cylinder so le kike de enyo ha.
Akpe.
Okay, akpe adon now. Amegban tope ba bia ma be ameyo dananu especially choba to ofe cylinder le kike enyo ha. 0303 944 864 atenwayom le noba mahanji alo 020 376 9562 le babia de la siwa mi ahwe kaba apemako akpagbanto ya akowunu 020 376 9562 alo 0303 944 864 0303 944 864 alo 020 376 9562 nyano enwundo weto ese babia ye
Yeah, cylinders you all here. We are going to be cylinders you katana no gake ezebe wato po gakbo dewenchi.
Okay, manakuma bo hello apameto. Hello. Okay, na troyom.
Yeah, ezebe wato gakbo do
medo ta flash. Hello.
Hello.
Nko kwa finele ya chefo.
Manaku chani nani.
Apameto lo wezo. Efo.
Manaku Dr. Banini ya.
Dr. Banini akpe wezo mi le toji nungwa tofo aloteshi.
Manaku Nima.
Okay, Nima, madaku mi le toji.
Akpana nina anu nyami fiafiami. Agoba dogbane ya pata la fa. Fire.
Safety.
Fire.
Safety.
Shut up. Hello.
Yeyita.
Okay, Marakude. Apa sheke yana yamma no gola mi aba station aji. Erico Ventures furniture badawa. Hydrant trailer fuma. Kufo expedient kufoma gama aguba hana chila fuma. That service kokomemle nima mamobi. Tiana washing bezala. Ofono connecte pas un cadre. Maglevu agbaje jinaba. Maje yobodo.
Okay.
Rekala Frankie's Hotel.
Okay.
Bo Joshua Mafma. Ologba. Oye. Afma yo. Itane nane jola. Fio gomore. Oina chi hagala. Akpe efe konsema ogbolo be tefadowa amo kono kobakode hydrant ochi pleto kwa ne ojola yopete ha omekponeo alo omekponeo ye obe abeleke winter egblebe Ghana Water Company tope dowo ma olebe wa kpokpo be no ma pete le didia eyagblo. Okay, medaku 020 376 9562 020 376 9562. Allo, hello, apameto.
Auntie
Wezofu, Marako. Nko kwa fine yocho.
Go remember for my recognition.
Okay.
Then be I'm a guy, sometimes you know, it will be now. I want to have many better facilities on lights, hello, gas, when I can investigation, they don't come out with those things. They are still investigation. Look at how good look at my job. Where I'm a do I family one at your bill.
You I don't now. I don't have I figure I don't now. I pay Elek Bobobe. Frempo. Elek Bobobe. Hello, Apameto.
Hello.
Always
Yo, Maraku Dr. Banini.
no kaka
Maraku na bien ya fata bane. Ye kone la ye vode ba TV al program logi. Nana lo shaba ball na ball. Itana jobi la fiara. Ala ba grenade na ball. O fode kanko. Adare jomo ochina jore Ghana re nyatan do Atana assembly no Ramo la shama dariwa.
Okay. Akpe. Okay. Marako yiji.
I'm able to I'm a sweater a fireball man Ellie Ghana Fia House Azram. Gakaru Kumi no profile equipment blood to more. I'm a good bona be hoshi Alabama guru Tony be a jomezo zogota almost to me ta elegana. I'm a be cylinders who chobat of cylinders. Remember calling but cylinder muto me up a toha. Do I knew be near doubt a hukemia to Bodochi. Bless you super never huka in a to Bodochi near where I mesh me monitorentia. If you have no leakage of Bavamha, a leakage a coga adjuita, Manyamika ahead. Kakene dire zudufia kuele confine. Ita zube ne leakage an avako. Anabe ta khe towa yinyo gakeme jebo dire khe ba minimum. Ala be me nyame beto fetamu. Ame beto ata aba adezu tele umpe manyama nyamaku ata yinu bonfe.
Ata hemye kwedre kiha ale be mi aton don e don be one no safe. Me call nyebe area tonyen like this ele kihe to bo be nyime topo akefi mamela ele safe ta amedo le area me ko to pokle to ta the best thing to do
it should be outside. Yeah, outside your
that job I told you got gas to lay outside there. That is the best thing to
but
do.
They should protect it by getting some it can be a wire mesh or what to put in, but I'm a better come wrongly
Authentic Mama, the 103.1 FM.
Okay, now Vito Lao, Miako, Anna Mokpokpo, Afeto, Allo Dr. Billy. Doctor Assistant Chief Fire Officer Apeto Prince Billy Anaglete Wawu Akpaya Nunami Nemi Akogbeto so matter you know Katangbo Zrikao and you topic questions so Osbo Kakia there ye yita Mako Efra Afpama Ase ne my program Ajinamita Enyakae Nedibeyana Amede Blobe Amede Biabe Nukata Nemi investigation
investigation. I'm a fashion she can ask or deliberate setting of fire with evil motive. No mean Karen Bell and Mako. Any involved na police, so me connect that police so she call her Oga continue with their investigation. Gakamanian when you could me so I do blueberry. Oh, I may work here, no more. Du come me fafagana mi
mi ato mi nya leke mi le Ghana to come ta na mi wene na to come me le fafagana mi o e ya ta ye o meta kona information so allo investigation e mecho nu nya o ko ba dana de aya mesibo okay ka ke normally a mi ato mi po be e ya wa ma de we wu a e hia be e to keke na va
no nyabe mi nyabe amewe a jigade ni mi tuna police ko mi wona dokpuru eduko ama ole na opuro na ikote tana po June 3rd ezoya jole circular. I was part of the investigation. Yemi who mayo nyonya to do amoma toma. Me na ole uta odemo manya mamoda ka na nyonya joko do hi do ko mi araba adoli de taba o mi la maolo obra mo ikoti nyamanya 1 day 2 days nyao ke ye yi ozube over conclude moko mi media to kura mi afa interest mega no namo. So it ended that it doesn't go to the public.
I see. One investigation. Me wanna go do. Ye emechonya wa lo mechunua. The appropriate court say Kenya koya ye mi koya.
Exactly.
For the
public consumption just like that.
Oh, okay. Nyaka ela su na ko wunu egbe pakpaji ela be mi gbo yo gbe nya yo subo ka kemi akogbe to serafi ayi wona bubu jita. Nyaka ela su be yakona todola yo katan le toji fi ya le nko se concerning Hamatan alo pepi memile alekemia no dedi akpomia do krobe ejo bibi mageremia papo meklete fe yo le yo
ya pe ba madakpe ni owun to ko gbere for program ba me ko gbe pemre nchi o the program abeke yakata degu amona se anyu be sia be nu ko amona no sesem ga kema le nene mauta mi adakpe de khamata ni me jibe maga blenye be ezebe mia le pepi me ko ezebe me sia menenu nzo no be pepi ma megere tsoni be o ko be bushfire ko zona bu menya bushfire mi to mi apepe me ben wona o kata echinole mi apeketi sume echinole mi ape ezikpo bolo yo ma mila ita le be mi anu nzo afila dole femen ayide ashime edome afina dogoku ezebe na ze minute veteti alen kudo ho mo kata be electrical gadgets kile khokho sikebe medebe wanu khokho ezebe na chi ezebe ha mi akpobe mi good bagwa ko be mi afa khom apeme zazirado be susube na gara maru performa yiro pele to ko electrical gadget be to yiro mo do hana zuvi afi pele to le mi o papa mi kpobe ha mo ha mi azagba mi adewura o ha oduna electrical wires le mi apesini mo bleto mo ha na jovi
I see
bema unu mi zagba mi fire to wa menye be abala kuduku mi na domo kuveno na nyu group ole mi asi vuvuvu there are safety officers there are community fire safety educators we na keke abe kunu mole amu papa mo bleto mu blaninya ko nyebe garu mena mo gere afaru ma ubena be oyola pa mo for so many years ezumezo tari so they are not ready, people are not making themselves available. That ko be ma glebe community sadolia ole haboboma no le haboboma ne anyube habobo na do shira ayo fire service to waji keke na fire service to na vari aba fienu ala be ezo yakata dodoma it is related to a human factor. Those fires 90% of them could be prevented. It's only through education. So everybody have a role to play individually, collectively, or as a group to prevent these fires. We can make it. So let us get committed and ensuring that there is fire safety with you. Never investigation where you could realize you could be prevented if there was a fire education.
And they come up on fire distinguishers so I know more home and make it they are careless about it.
Exactly.
I'm a doha hello menyaleke was no afia me so that net they quickly va pedemekwa what one jego mekle fire distinguishers.
Fire extinguisher like you even if you are sharing a wall with a fire station, you still need a fire extinguisher because every big fire starts with something small. Can extinguisher assure what would have been a disaster will just be a minor incident because you yourself at that early stage, CPS stages, you can just use it to extinguish it.
Fire distinguisher nano papa ebukula ha lebe nano
say no be obudo share ebe extinguisher nano ala be utoga von evua petrol element diesel element there is fire in the engine combusting chamber no vulu la engine anton no po ejoina engine azozo a paint you ko paint absolutely be komukata they are highly flammable substances and material it akulebe no jojo levuma within 3 minutes the fire could consume the whole car. Tana extinguisher as you will be able to do it. Tana within the fire service, maybe the fire station is not close to it. It has more extinguisher more of women now. Mother Likuna, they have not serviced it. Extinguishers are supposed to be serviced every year. That is the very Boreja Bogabe Amofia a kajim, Boba to catch a car, many of fire extinguisher. It is necessary that every vehicle to have it. And then the chief officer has said it that this year, me inspection we're going to put a share there. Alako, me inspection, be extinguisher. If it is not there, you'll be fine.
Driver, so take caution. You're not getting ready. You're about to fire distinguisher. One of your women like Belbet this year. Things are going to change. We are resetting Ghana.
Exactly.
So resetting of Ghana involves all these things. Nado eko me kona serious. Chawa 50 year old work serious. Le America. Every house me have alerts of fire alerts there. Na fire another ko ring quickly
the alarm system
I'm saying no anya benade ko quickly kakemele miao papo melelo apart from maybe office gangan do kakegana ye makbobe America how to access route o subode
exactly
bene na de wata nenye jime wato nenye down wenye whatever no access venue
exits and all that, yes, and traveling distances and all that we did.
And here we don't have it as such in Ghana. So any make le bemi asron ka akpe now ek bepedo waiver onyo na medical vadele ne bi adogbena hafimia akọ akrati egbe.
Yeah, I'm a good one chief officer. I'm a good one Yapono Veronica Bole Vigno Kata Siko Turin Siko Modu Bonami Shama. Akboko Madana Minde Nima Wilo Muga Budi Nia Agagere Niaji Nia Unifiafia.
Eleko lebemia no wo mata me de kuku ne na kwede over agenda me ne once ho na tomi agbo anami anya bo will available ne matanva ha mia wele phone ji ne na eviado ha wano available wano gagede me na me lebemia afia no mi ato akpe na okakaka novito do la oyanye apeto doctor assistant chief officer fire officer Mr. Prince Billy Anaglate, OT Fire Regional Merekuto, OT Fire Regional Commander, FN Command Miese, Eva or Numeda Deya Oakland Fafia Yonami concerning this current rampant fire outbreaks all over the country. How to take precautions in our homes and offices and places there we can prevent this outbreak, fire outbreak, this Hamatan season. I'm going to social media, I met now had different they say bravo, okafu, wana, obe akpe, miawele dodgy, miawifia nucleto, ye metanklopete, happen, na joke, aka, mabanekele. Mayole miako over 400 plus people 500 Facebook aji and social media okata Top FM online YouTube ole po Siena YouTube peto nyato America peto oha line ji ole Siena Facebook page all kata only available ola fuma odo odogbe now obe eweva wodo edo no celebrate aji. Now, we are allowed exactly 7 p.m. Top Radio 103.1 FM. Mina, I say hi, after you want to
Authentic Mama, the 103.1
Emefa wisdom.
Top radio back correct. Top radio back correct. Top radio back correct. Top radio back correct.
Authentic Mama, the 103.1 Authentic Mama, the 103.1 FM.
I'm not gonna. I will be now. The group. I never met about the top. So, what you are going to top them? Yes, I got to do a top effort. Emefa will Top radio back correct.
Authentic Mama, the 103.1 FM.
Apato, lo catamelo.
Go on the Pava, over now the Super, out, but never know about the top. So, when you are there, top them, I could see a top effort. Emefa Wisdom. Hey Baba, what thing they do? Make you change Shakara State to make a get proper program for Top FM. No, say Emefa be Emefa.
Top radio back correct. Top radio back correct.
Hi guys, my name is Dunenyo and I'm listening to Authentic Mama Professor.
Top radio back correct.
Authentic Mama, the 103.1 FM.
Bobo Deti na Bobo Alimenam na Veterolao. Eyama.
Top radio back correct.
Anatono Apola Messan. Haike le background semela echo KKP pando KKP plepe agbasevio KKP Dunenyo Borborbor group tocho pando Gandre minute we would a keton Gandre minute with a keto to 11 minutes past 7 o'clock. Novito do la onenge if you have never tuned in all over through mobado afia medo jana over Top Radio 103.1 FM. FM Papa na ochi authentic mama Emefa kule Dunenyo Borborbor show pen cosem live. Nyele transmitting live to 40B Royal Castle Dachi Ash Villa Radio number.
Top Radio back correct.
Came in the live but I could be called Kem no BM. Nyele live le Top FM online on YouTube, Top FM online on YouTube. Nya told me if you me subscribe to Top FM online, nya pay YouTube channel, me subscribe to it for us. Then nya akbo nya pay videos so kata nyele live le Top Media on Facebook, Top Media on Facebook, nyele TikTok, Top Radio 103.1 FM, TikTok. Authentic Mama fan page is also clear and live. Authentic Mama fan page. You told me follow Authentic Mama page. I'm your like page. I'm your follow me. And we'll have open that see when you be make a melation as sponsor pay a pay programmer. Talk when you be on hand. A credit do you be ya ma programmer. Ya amma fan page. Ya follow me and share links and I'm all why viral. And you handle it. They wanna amonu to a man.
Top Radio back correct.
Ya pay baby why G. Hello program ya na wakeketa. Can you be me common papa ya nya be epe ya man. Nye di sponsorship na programmer. E yata na nye company ade, individuals ade, shop bar la siwo, drinking spot la siwo, carpenter shop la siwa, financial institution no kae, herbal center, clinic or hospital. Then etibemia our advert na wa kema you come to Top Radio. Abi Authentic Mama ta alona kono baya na your Authentic Mama ma promote open uzo now. Nyele live le radio Gilafia, nyele live la America to come Canada kweto. Amesi mi ankokbona now. Yata open products and services will be well market le afisi afike mi atole mi ankosem tue. Yata, if you want to place your advert, you want to sponsor this program, we have different segments. We have interaction segment, which is interview segment. We have religious segment. We have health segment.
Top Radio back correct.
You may have newspaper headline segment. So we have about 5 segments in the show. Any segment you want to sponsor or you want to place your advert on, you are welcome to do so. Call this number 0244 066752 0244 066752. In case you want to sponsor any of the segments, then you are welcome to do so. Just call the number 0244 066752. If you want to sponsor Dunenyo Borborbor show, total from A to B, you can do so as well. But if you want to sponsor a segment, we have newspaper headline segment, we have health tidbit segment, we have interview segment, we have phone in segment. Any of the segments you may want to sponsor, you may want to place your advert on, it's welcome. Just call Authentic Mama on 0244 066752 0244 066752. Madakuku miko kem lo egbiema ne menyunye do miko kem hamatene le mikatan lemta madakuku egbiema le sosonyo alo meyo le social media ne nyekpobe melegbe mekuma miko kem egbiene meko matewu ne meku matewu wodo ta miko kem sia ya hona mnene we dabe popolote komiele akpe kakaka. It's time for newspaper headline segment. It's time for newspaper headline segment. Then later on, I'll give you the tidbit in the health segment. Now you yate. Look away, Joe. Le Kosrame. Look away, Nya Jojo. Joe le Ghana to come. Le Kosrame. Now, a new government is in place, and they are trying to form their cabinet. Government here, NDC government, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Evaziji, Vice, the lady, Professor Nana Opoku-Agyemang. Ta ezongo le open cabinet
Top Radio back correct.
Ezongo le open minister so unko le dodom le vetting wana le parliament South Akpekpe Menola committee to le vetting wana then quickly enaminya be within 14 days yana nko yana ya form ya minister so cabinet to eyata so far mana mi anya no yo le jojo enu gbanto enye ya glomele nya peduplola His Excellency John Dramani Mahama in trying to form his government alo form his cabinet eko nkwado dogo be nkomawa ne ese otakpepe menola vetting committee no vet wo no bia ekunu mekplo wakpo be watan wa wodo a ofe qualification collector de eso watan wodo ma pele obodo do yo ko yina various ministry eke o le kokona wa watan wodo ha ne o dasido jivo a no vet over a no kunu mekplo o wo interview now
top radio back kore
ne wo o dasido ji aikema wa azu minister so data so far President Mahama has made 25 appointments so far. 25 appointments so far. Lisi Yokodwa, Finance Minister Kleto Ekodo. So far, 25 ministers. Ye Okodo. So far, 25 it's 35. And don't be na Ghana to come at all a year. System ministers Okoyakodo. Be ya nabe e Ghana no dukosi ela be Ghana ebro koho e ya taimaka ko ministers gbogbo adeke 100 and something 80 something akowo daughter 60 eye ele keeping the promise ha promise ko ona alone gbedodo ko dona Ghana to come to imole campaign wa ele trying to do so yeah fulfill promise ta echo 25 names so far appointment to 25 left with 35 to go. Yeah, out to make up to the 60.
Top radio back kore.
35 more to go. A choco year from Monday koya minya be the rest and cost so what do. Ekema se otakpepe menola appointment committee to yo ha oje edoji eyole amio emekunu metoklo so far. However, 12 out of the 25 are members of parliament. Ame yo ho unko yo kata ho cover 25 names yo kata he John Dramani Miape president he kodogo abe minister so na our doctor so far 25 ma ame weva ho ese otakpepe menola ogbo alo ame yo nye se otakpepe menola o ame weve ame wi aseke a yewa oko menye se otakpepe menola onyo kakea okata pedon so far ke elebe wa appoint 35 eke susua elebe wa ka appoint elebe wa ka appoint amado ameyo kata wa ka appoint be wanye ministers de o ha wakacho ese otakpepe meta so far eleji lepe cabinet alo ministers so form blave voaton ya nko ma okodogo fifilai ke blave voaton ma etiso bla eton voaton yemi kaneti be jodak bekoye kwa so ha wa dogo mi akpobede aleke amoko dasidoji so far nko eke o le dodoa amegede o la sidade oji ye yimele ma yo pete fifila yo kake amegede o la sidade ami oji enya jojo gbanto nya jojo vele anya be abe aleke miape president dongbe na mi le campaign time be ya na be nyonu o mi anyonu mi akpo gome le yefe jidudu me 30% le yefe jidudu ya ma nyatefe eje dogome ministers yo kata on le yo so far gender breakdown
top radio back kore
out of 25 mahe duplola ame nko yo edoho yo be alo ko doa 18 amen nko wa dekadeka me wi enyi ye onye nchuo eye dekadeka wa me andre onye nyonu ekenye nyonu if you want to take it to percentage wise it will be 28%, so we have 2% more to hit 30%. So if you be nyape duplola His Excellency John Dramani Mahama LFP promise jiwo so far a promise ko do ngbe ko dona Ghana nyonu elejiwo ta 25 ministers yo kodoa amewi enyi enye nchuo eye wa mandre onye nyonu ye no kwede percentage ma afia be nyonu per percentage so far enye 28%, left with small 2% ko wa hit nuka 30% here ta nyonu kata ole jokpo o Mahama elagbagbaje epe ngbedodo wa ele elagbagbaje mie kala mokpo be akako nko gede anye nyono gede ha kra akova eye wawu percentage ke ogblo 30% kra go ha yata mi anyono ekenye affirmative action bill ekenya to be onyono pe gbososo nyono pe politics alo tepe no lese otakpepe mepe tepe wa nanye 30% a mi ape duplola ya elengbedodo majiwo alegbegbe so far eya nyanya jojo evelia etoli abe mamlelia novi todola ya kwenye be nominations yo kata heva so far ke mi ape duplola kodoa manam nyanya be evio mi ape position ha mi lekpo pepepe ela be mi na onya be efe ya ma amunutu ama elebe duplo haya ndc party na konkumedo amunutu ame elebe uma na ko dajo joko elebe mi oha mi akpo nado le mi apetume edongbe na mi be amunutu ame eyi me deliver 18/18 mi ho ezio katama ndc a
top radio ba kore
ye manglo mi bel ye ebe yi manglo mi bel eyata fifila ya mana mi anya so fa nko yo doa mi ame beto yo le tepe wa ole ame aton so far alo amene ole key positions I don't have bo kakemi le expecting be more will be coming because mienya be elebe more will come to add it ta evio ame yo nko yo over 25 names over emenolado ekenye mia vio wa yanye apeto Charles Kikpo appointee appointed as a Director General of National Intelligence Bureau. Mr. Prosper Bani, appointed as National Security Advisor to the President. Mr. James Gunu as a Voter Regional Minister. Miatomia for the Kanye journalist Odometo Kavai. Apeto James Gunu as a Voter Regional Minister.
Top radio back kore.
Apeto James Gunua, enye MC of Akachi before, former MC of Akachi, 50 year Evazu, Voter Regional Minister. No veti no you say takpepe me o interview pleto never emi wa dasideji Wavazu, Voter Regional Minister. Mr. James Gunu ne menyawa eyanye ameke miape duplolatia alo miape region otia be wa nye Voter Regional Minister. Kakoyijia Honorable Kwame Agboja as Minister for Roads and Highways. Miato deka lese otakpepe me abeleke minya 50 ozu majority whip enye oko position man ebe wanye Minister for Roads and Highways. Ne maudi kako Minister for Roads and Highways henamia amunuto metowa nimenyabe amunuto menyape monyawa miaka no konyu famu yata mebok blogbeva na nyebo dasideji foko jeda ubekwa leke dodo yo wode amunuto metope mowa wabana mianya
radio back kore
yata nye jijo gande na mi be mi anami anya be nyanto miapa me to amunuto ame Honorable Kwame Agboja eya okobe wanye Minister for Roads and Highways mi pojijo elebe mi apojijo be mi ape mowa makano the same apo wajo lepene ya megbo Honorable Jifago Mashi as Tourism, Culture and Creative Arts Minister. Novinya Salao, Honorable Jifago Mashi, Eyaha, Otiebe, Abenyono, Dometodeka Wanye, Wahead, Tourism, Culture and Creative Arts Ministry. So far, le appointment over, I'm a black evevoa, Tonya over, if you omyekbo, I'm a tonleme so far. Substantial ones were, I'm a tonleme, eke ejilemia jom, ejilenye jom, be ome dako alo ome dako jojo amunuto ameto ome dako jojo yo wenye nya jojo mabu mona kaba nena yo aleke nekpo mahama pa appointment o so far so good yo akwaji hade imene sede so far so good call me quickly phone in segment I am 0303 944 864 I don't know check atan yom hale number kaji 020 376 9562 atan yom la fuma so far so good cabinet alone minister list yo le vavake his excellency John Dramani Mahama he kole godode aleke mi le popo chonti amema ode wa tan odo ye amunuto ameto yo so far amaton yo echo amunuto amede leke mi kokwe ejilemia joma be omewodo dawa yom 0303 944 864 0303 944 864 awezo awezo efojo free ya
the capital
mi degba
Obela Moji,
akpaka Africa miedo.
Atinya.
Okay, miawezo. Lekenye lolonyo vio kata, miawezo.
Lolonyo kata, ole kwa unko.
Miaweva wodolo.
Ohawe le mada.
Marakuyo yijinami.
Nanyan kunamba, yapo dukola ye. After for this after Areto. Other guys, Yauma, Abamia, they put the Brado, Yapamina, at them. Now, Kaho, about the Muka, about the other two, Ghana.
Top radio
That is for let show you use Ada all door. Above for this is there. No, that won't fit the other call. That's you and Yanamio. Canu door. No, Mamma, got to
Okay. So far, you let your bomb there. I okay. Dokana me
brother. Ponye makia mada ya sema gano ngwa abe tukulia tamani studio no
mara kudo kana me
na nye ko kon ko do radio
ku yo do kana me
modo hana lo no baba bogu malo wa
Authentic Mama, the 103.1 FM.
Okay. Maune kulo mi vado de ti.
Yo.
Okay, Novito Dolao, you can also call. It's phone in segment. Call me on 0303 944 864. 0303 944 864. Allo 020 376 9562.
Top radio back correct.
020 376